You're doing huge. Hold him up. You look so good in blue. Yes, you do. By day were some of the sharpest and most serious young legal minds in the country. Look how curly he is. All right, give him a hug.
Oh, yes, he's so little. He's so little. He's so little.
Let's see him walk.
Yeah, tell him to come to you, Missy.
Come here. Come here. Oh, good boy. I can't bend down and touch you.
Yeah. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Now tell him to come to you.
Come here. Oliver. Oh, he was going to sit down in between your legs. Hi. Hey, puppy. Call him over to you again.
Here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Puppy. Good puppy. Good puppy.
I was going to get a close-up of him because you can see the white under his...
Good puppy.
Yeah. It's a little white.
Good puppy.
I'm the only one he wants to lick and crawl all over.
Oh, I've told him no too many times.
But he doesn't crawl on you. He crawls
No,
all
but
over
he
me.
looks like a little, he just looks like a little puff, doesn't he?
He is a little
Just
puff.
a little puff. Just a little puff. Allison's dying to get her hands on this dog.
Well, tell her hello because I'm videoing. Oh, look, hold his little feet hang down. Look at those little feet. Oh, yeah, look. He has... It's this one.
Oh, the toes?
Look, he
I
has
told her
two
about it.
white toes, just like Sebastian.
He was made to be in this family.
Yes, he's made to live in Vidalia, in this house. I'm not even videoing it because I can't stop watching him.
I guess that's his ball.
That's Sebastian's toys. That's not yours. That's not yours.
No, don't get him because
That's Sebastian's. That's Sebastian's.
he won't like him if that dog. You know, he's too still. Kind of leery of Bob.
That is Sebastian's.
I'm trying to she's
Just, Mother, I'm taping. It's yours. Don't look over there. This is yours.
Look here.
Squeak it for him.
That's it. He's watching my fingernails. Here. Oh, you're not straight. Your little foot's not straight.
Hi. my goodness, he can pick that thing up.
Oh,
That thing is heavy.
maybe you do like it.
That's what he was barking at.
Well, he's having fun with that little thing.
He's loving it. You didn't hear it squeaking while you were in there? Oh my